Here's a simple way to see all the friend requests you've sent on Facebook and cancel them if you want. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android. Tap the menu button, then tap Friends, and choose Requests at the top left. If Facebook shows your sent friend requests here, great, you can cancel them directly. If you don't see your sent requests, or it says no new friend requests, that's normal. The mobile app often hides the sent list. Now, open Safari or Google Chrome and go to facebook.com. Log into your account and make sure you stay on the website. Do not switch to the app. Tap the 3 lines at the top right, scroll down, and tap Friends. Then, tap Friend Requests at the top. At the top right, tap the 3 dots and select View Sent Requests. Here, you'll see every pending friend request you've sent. To cancel one, just tap Cancel next to their name. The person will not be notified. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find your sent friend requests on Facebook.